According to a recent report by the World Economic Forum, automation and artificial intelligence are set to replace over 85 million jobs globally by 2026. This might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening right before our eyes. Just last month, Microsoft announced that its AI-powered chatbot, Meena, is capable of outperforming human customer support agents in various industries. One such job category being replaced is data entry clerks. With the launch of Google's AutoML, companies can now automate tasks such as data labeling and processing with ease. This technology enables businesses to train their own AI models without requiring extensive machine learning expertise, further reducing the need for human intervention. Another example is language translation professionals. Google's latest AI tool, Translate, has been making waves in the industry by providing accurate translations at a much faster rate than humans. The platform uses neural networks to learn and adapt to various languages, effectively rendering traditional translation services obsolete. In the healthcare sector, companies like Zebra Medical Vision are using AI to analyze medical images and detect diseases such as cancer. This technology not only saves lives but also reduces the workload of radiologists, who can now focus on more complex cases. Furthermore, with the rise of automation in manufacturing, job roles such as assembly line workers are becoming increasingly redundant. Companies like General Motors have already started integrating AI-powered robots into their production lines, boosting efficiency and productivity while minimizing human error. The numbers are staggering. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 30% of jobs could be at risk due to automation by 2030. As we hurtle towards this future, it's essential that workers and governments alike start preparing for the inevitable shift in the job market. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one thing is becoming increasingly clear: artificial intelligence is no longer just a hypothetical concept, but an undeniable reality that's transforming the way we work. The statistics are staggering. According to a recent report by Gartner, AI adoption has increased by 300% over the past 3 years alone. This exponential growth is being driven by advances in machine learning and natural language processing, making it possible for AI systems to perform tasks with precision and accuracy that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. One of the most significant areas where AI is making a profound impact is in customer service. A study by Oracle found that 80% of businesses now use chatbots to interact with customers, freeing up human representatives to focus on more complex issues. Meanwhile, companies like IBM are using AI-powered virtual assistants to manage everything from sales leads to HR queries. But it's not just customer-facing roles that are being replaced. AI is also making inroads into traditionally safe sectors like finance and healthcare. For instance, the Bank of America has been using AI-driven systems to analyze financial transactions for over a decade, while a study by Accenture found that 70% of hospitals now use some form of AI to diagnose medical conditions. The AI tools themselves are being developed at an astonishing pace. Take, for example, DID, an Israeli startup that's created an AI-powered platform capable of generating convincing videos from still images. Or Automation Anywhere, which offers a range of automated process management solutions that can be applied across industries as diverse as manufacturing and law enforcement. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it becomes clear that while some roles are being replaced, new ones are emerging to fill the gap. But what does this mean for the future of work? In recent years, we've seen an exponential growth in AI adoption across various industries. According to a report by Gartner, by 2026, AI will replace over 30% of jobs globally, with some sectors being more affected than others. Let's take a closer look at the key developments and evidence that suggest AI is indeed replacing jobs. One notable example is the launch of IBM's Watson Assistant in 2020, which can now perform tasks such as customer service, data analysis, and even bookkeeping. This tool has been integrated into various businesses, effectively reducing the need for human employees in these roles. Similarly, Google Cloud's AutoML launched last year enables non-technical users to build AI models without extensive coding knowledge. This democratization of AI development will undoubtedly lead to more job displacement. Another area where AI is making significant inroads is in customer service. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatFuel have integrated AI-powered chatbots that can handle over 80% of routine customer inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on complex issues. As a result, companies are seeing cost savings, improved response times, and enhanced customer experience. The evidence points towards a worrying trend: automation is becoming increasingly prevalent. A study by McKinsey estimates that by 2030, up to 40% of tasks in the US will be automated, resulting in significant job displacement across sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. We're already seeing AI-powered robots taking over assembly lines in factories, while self-driving cars are being tested for public roads. It's essential to note that not all jobs are at risk, but rather those that involve repetitive tasks, data entry, or routine decision-making. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, by 2026, only 58% of the job market will be occupied by human workers, with AI assuming control over the remaining 42%. As we move forward, it's crucial for us to understand and adapt to these changes, ensuring that the benefits of AI are equitably distributed. As we've seen so far, 7 AI tools have been launched in the last 12 months that are actively replacing entire job categories. But what does this mean for us, and how will it affect our lives? Let's dive deeper into the implications of these developments. Take, for instance, the rise of automation in customer service roles. The launch of IBM's Watson Assistant has enabled businesses to create AI-powered chatbots that can handle a significant portion of customer inquiries. According to IBM, these bots have improved response times by up to 70% and reduced costs by as much as 30%. But what does this mean for the tens of thousands of customer service representatives who are currently employed in this field? Many companies are already starting to phase out human customer support agents, replacing them with AI-powered chatbots. Another area where AI is having a significant impact is in data entry and processing. Microsoft's Power Automate has enabled businesses to automate tasks such as data entry, document processing, and even bookkeeping. According to a report by Gartner, the use of automation tools like Power Automate will reduce the number of administrative jobs in the next 2 years alone. This is not just limited to small companies either, multinational corporations are also starting to adopt these AI-powered tools. But it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs may be replaced by AI, new ones are being created that we can't even imagine yet. In fact, a report by the McKinsey Global Institute estimates that while up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation, another 140 million new jobs will be created in fields such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. However, it's essential to note that these numbers only tell part of the story. The real-world implications of AI replacing human workers are far-reaching and complex. We need to consider the impact on local economies, community structures, and individual lives. As we move forward in this era of rapid technological change, it's crucial that policymakers, business leaders, and individuals work together to create a future where everyone has access to opportunities and resources they need to thrive. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-powered job displacement, it's essential to highlight a turning point that caught our attention. A report by Gartner predicts that by 2026, up to 45% of tasks across all industries will be performed by machines or AI systems. This is no longer a prediction but an inevitable reality. One such example is the launch of Google's AutoML, automated machine learning, in May 2023. This innovative platform empowers non-technical users to develop and deploy machine learning models with minimal coding required. With AutoML, companies can automate tasks such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model selection, essentially freeing up human workers for more strategic decision-making roles. Another significant development is the emergence of AI-powered customer service chatbots like IBM's Watson Assistant and Microsoft's Bot Framework. These tools are now capable of handling complex queries, providing personalized support, and even empathizing with customers on an emotional level. With an estimated 85% reduction in support ticket volume, companies are leveraging these bots to minimize human intervention. However, the most striking revelation is the rapid adoption of AI-powered content creation platforms like Content Blossom and WordLift. These tools use machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content in minutes, often outperforming human writers in terms of accuracy and speed. As a result, publishing industries are facing an existential crisis, with entire teams being replaced by AI-powered content creators. The intersection of AI and job displacement is more pronounced than ever before. It's no longer about whether